Good early morning when I'm filming this. This week I'm not going to have a regular sewing video for you. I know I mentioned last week that we're doing a major bathroom renovation at my house. It's very crazy in there. It's very messy and it's very loud. There's jackhammering, there's a lot going on, and I have been sewing but I can't film. So I'm going to give you a quick little quiet garden tour. A couple of years ago I did some videos on us making my dream kitchen garden, and it's early this year but everything's in, and the roses that when I made it, they were just little stubs, have just become one of the bright spots of my day every day to come out and look at them. We're getting ready to do some deadheading all the way around. It's just been a glorious, beautiful spring. So I'm not going to talk over the tour. I'm just going to let you hear the birds are just lovely and have such lovely bird song out here. So I'm going to let you just listen to the birds and do a garden tour, and then I'll talk to you at the end. This is my outdoor office. This is where I sit when it's too crazy in the house and too loud. And this is where I'm getting ready to set up my computer and do the editing for this video. We've got it set up with electricity right here, and we've rigged a sunshade so as the sun moves throughout the day, I can still sit out here and not get hot and also see my computer screen. These are begonias. My favorite kind of begonia, and they come in lots of colors, and I love these that are like, I don't know, they're blush. They're salmon to orange to yellow, and they're just gorgeous. I have 2 of them in it. As I'm sitting here, I'm looking at a beautiful cardinal, the male cardinal up in the tree. We also have hummingbirds. They're not in our tree. I'm going to just turn. This tree right here is full of lots and lots of birds, and this one, both of these. And we noticed the hummingbirds, the cardinals and the robins all seem to be happy in there. You may have noticed when I was showing you the peach tree, there is a nest in the peach tree, and we had a robin's nest on the corner of my husband's shop building here, and we did watch the robins hatch from that, which was really neat. We were very careful, and the mama robin would scold us if we got close, so we were careful, but it was really fun to see. We have to protect our vegetables from the birds also, but we love having the wildlife around. Well, thanks for hanging out with me in my garden, and hopefully next week we will be back to sewing. If I can't do a full tutorial, I definitely will do just a little fashion show of all the things I've been sewing off camera and share with you my projects. See you next week for another fun video.